In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate 1688 app to English. If you're browsing 1688 and finding the interface challenging, there is a built-in language option you can try. It won't convert everything, but it does make the core menus easier to navigate. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to tap and what to expect. Start by opening the 1688 app on your phone. From the main screen, look for the profile area at the bottom of the screen. It's typically the tab with the person icon and the Chinese label Wodi. Tap that to enter your personal page. This is where most of your account and app settings live. On the profile page, look for the settings menu. You'll usually see a small gear icon labeled Shiji. Tap it to open the app's settings. Different versions of the app may arrange these items slightly differently, but the gear is the reliable sign you're in the right place. Inside settings, scroll until you find the language section. It's commonly labeled language or Duo Yu Yan. Sometimes it appears with a globe icon. Go ahead and tap it to view the available languages. If English is supported on your device and in your region, you'll see English in the list. Select English to apply the change. The app may briefly reload or navigate back, and you should notice key menus and labels switch to English. Now, it's important to set expectations. Even with English selected, most sections in 1688 will still appear in Chinese. That includes many seller pages, product descriptions, and promotional banners. This is normal because those parts are written and updated by merchants themselves. The language option primarily affects the app's interface, the tabs, main buttons, common prompts, and some system messages. Think of it as turning on navigation labels in English to help you move around more confidently, while the marketplace content remains largely in Chinese. If you don't see English listed, don't worry. Availability can vary by app version, device, or location. In that case, use the icons and layout as guides. The profile tab, the gear for settings, and the section marked Duo Yu Yan are consistent anchors, even if the text stays in Chinese. Once you know where these are, you can return later and check again for the English option after future updates. To recap the flow, open the app, go to profile labeled Wodai, enter settings labeled Shiji, find language, or Duo Yu Yan, and choose English if it's listed. With that done, navigating the app becomes clearer, even if much of the content remains in Chinese. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more at home inside 1688.